I never thought that potatoes could do this. It's the best potato I've ever seen. It's simpler than drinking water, peeling the potatoes and cutting them into hob pieces. Add water and wash off the starch of the potatoes themselves. Boil the water in the pot for 6 minutes, steam, and pour it into the hot pot. Fry slowly over medium-low heat throughout the process. Be patient in this step. Uncles, aunts, brothers and sisters, if you also like this dish, can you give me a thumbs up and encourage me? Thank you very much. Stir fry until the potatoes are slightly browned. Then pour in the salt and pepper powder, then put some onions and green onion segments. Stir fry quickly over high heat for a few times to add flavor, and you can get out of the pan. The salt and pepper potatoes that come out of this way are salty and fragrant, crispy on the outside and glutinous on the inside. It's even better than the barbecue stall outside. Let's arrange it.